how to monetize your blog with online courses. Now, if you're a blogger, blogging, or thinking about it, one of the many ways to monetize your blog is to have products to sell from it. And one of those products that is completely passive in its exchange is selling online courses from your blog. Now, you could have online courses of your own. Perhaps you have a topic that you could be teaching about. Whatever you're writing about can be something that you could be doing videos in, uploading them to a learning management system and selling them as another income stream. Now, if that doesn't suit you, it doesn't tickle your fancy creating online courses, there are hundreds of thousands of online course instructors out there who are and who may have courses in the topic that you blog about or in areas of interest that your readers might be interested in that complement and don't yet compete with your blog. And so you could be selling their online courses from your website in exchange for affiliate commission earnings. And all it is a hyperlink that you add to your website that you can get income from. So let me give you a couple of examples of how I use my own blog and monetize my own blog using my own online courses. So I have my main blog page. And let's say I've got, here's a blog post that I recently posted. Let's just pick this one to pull it up to give you an example. So all of my templates for my blogs have a set template that has a fixed right-hand bar menu where I have straight at the very, very top on that menu bar an online course that people can buy. So there we have, and as they scroll through, there's various other, obviously, monetization that I use. I sell my books, I sell my online academy, and as they go through as well, I also hyperlink to other courses that people might be interested in buying. So as you can see, it's quite simple. It can be as simple as just putting an image with a hyperlink on it or a sales widget or something on the site that is either to your own online course or is the affiliate link of an online course creator who you are working with as an affiliate to sell their courses from your blog. So there's a really quick tip. If you are not yet selling online courses in the topic or topics of interest associated with your blog topic, you absolutely should be. It's a super easy way to monetize your blogging. And if anyone has an audience out there of entrepreneurs, authors, speakers, coaches, experts, or anyone that might like to create online courses, I have a very generous affiliate program, and I would be delighted to offer you the opportunity to sell my courses from your own blog for an affiliate commission of sales as well. So there you go. Have a go for the coming 12 months. See how you can add more money to your bottom line by adding online courses to your blog site.